Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a flip cup pour. It's going to be a 2-cup flip cup pour. I haven't done one of those for a while. The colors I'm using are a copper, a cobalt blue, so this is a metallic copper, cobalt blue, a cream, and this is called sea green, but it's more like a phthalo green, a sort of a jade green. So it's really nice. It's a really pretty color, and I've varied my consistencies. So this is thicker to thinnest. Before I begin, I just wanted to say thank you for visiting my channel, and if you're liking what you're watching, please like, subscribe, comment. I really appreciate it. So I'm just going to start layering up my cups, and I probably will speed this section up shortly, but just so you can see what I'm doing. My 2 cups are poured, so now let's flip and see what happens. So I always tend to flip a bit like this, and I'll just move it onto my canvas. I'm actually pouring on a tile today, and I also am not certain I've got enough paint. It's already starting to spill, so I'm going to open that out already. I like the colors. Trying to not lose too much of that yet before I start actually playing with the paints. I've got some paint left in the cup, so I'm just going to go around and touch up these corners here. And now I'm going to lift up the second cup. Might move it over slightly and pull away. Got quite a bit of paint there. So I've got enough paint. I probably could have even put this on a slightly bigger tile. I haven't done a 2-cup flip cup for a while, so I thought I'd be conservative. I'm just using my blowtorch. I've got nice cells. Quite like the color combination as well. So what I'm going to do now is what I've got in my cups, I'm going to just use to go around my corners. And also, I just want to put paint here. I'm going to pull up from the bottom here. Just stitch it, that's the word I use, I stitch it to the paint that's already there, just to help it move when I start tipping off this tile. So it sort of already attaches, so it doesn't struggle to move as much. Because that section there bothers me. I'm a bit worried about that section, I'll be honest. I'm not quite sure. Oh, I've got quite a bit of paint here, so I'm going to, see there, I just dropped a bit of paint in my work. Yeah, that's better. Let's close that off. Closing this off here as well. There, that's better. Now I'm just going to start just taking, I want to just sort of cover up my edges. And then I'll start tipping. There's not really anywhere on this that I particularly don't like. Ooh. This is very pretty, and this I like as well. Probably maybe that line through the center where the two flip cups have joined I'm not wild about, but it's not enough to be ugly, if that makes sense. What I do think I'm going to do is come back this way a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Because I just didn't quite like what I had the bottom there. Maybe slowly move a little bit more. But basically I actually quite like that. I don't think I want to move it too much more. I think this is where you have to be so careful, because I think it's it looks good. And I think if I move it much more, this maybe is not as nice. See if I can push a little bit off in that direction. But what it's doing is it's stretching that section a bit more than I would like. So I don't really know if I want to move it much more. It's improved it, so that's good. I really like that. I think it's really nice. I might give it another little torch just to see what else comes up. But it's got nice cells. All in all, it's quite a nice composition. So what I did with this is I used Floetrol. I will put the amount, what I did, the recipe that I used in the description below, but I used Floetrol and I varied my consistency, so I didn't use any silicone in this pour at all. I also mixed my paints up and left them overnight, and that's not something I normally do. And I think it has made the paint sort of like settle more. So what I'll do is I'll bring you in for a close-up so you can sort of see what it looks like, but it's very pretty. So there it's close-up. Yeah, I think it's lovely. There's not much I can complain about that. I think it's a really nice pour. And coming in closer, you know, there's really nice cells. I like how the copper is sitting a little bit over the blue there, creating a bit of a shimmer. But it really looks very, very nice. I mean, even the end here, I wasn't sure about it, but it actually is it's coming together quite nicely, because a couple of little tiny cells have popped up there, which makes it look nice. And I actually like that center line. I think it makes it very much look like a, you know, a galaxy kind of thing. So yeah, not unhappy with that.